Special education. Education students spend at least a portion of their day in a resource room where they can receive individualized instruction. It is also common for some special educators to provide special education services at home or in community-based setting. Special education teachers in these settings work with students with severe disabilities, helping them practice functional daily living skills. Then, special education interventions. First one is preventive intervention. Second one is remedial intervention. Third one is compensatory intervention. Preventive intervention means prevent the existing problem in disability. Remedial intervention means eliminating the effects of disability. Third one is compensatory intervention means teaching special skills with special devices or called compensatory interventions. Steps in the IEP team process. First one, referring your child for special education. Evaluating your child. Does your child have an impairment? Does your child need special education? These are the questions. For evaluating your children. Third one is deciding what services are needed and writing the IEP. The school must have a meeting to write the IEP within 30 days of deciding your child is eligible for special education. Deciding where your child will receive services and sending you a placement notice. Reviewing the IEP and placement at least once each year. Re-evaluating your child at least once every 3 years. You and the school can agree not to re-evaluate your child. Then impairments that may be considered at the IEP team meeting: autism, cognitive disability, emotional behavioral disability, hearing impairment, specific learning disability, orthopedic impairment, other health impairment, significant developmental delay, speech or language impairment, traumatic brain injury, visual impairment. Then some of the problems in disabled children need for special education: oral expression, listening comprehension, written expression, basic reading skills, reading fluency skills, reading comprehensions, mathematics calculation, mathematic problem solving ability. Then some of the factors affecting the children, disabled children: cultural factors, emotional disturbance, environmental or economic disadvantage, limited English proficiency, mental retardation, visual, hearing or motor disability. These are the good websites for the special education. IEP means Individualized Education Program. Thank you. Thanks for